Hey Mar, are we on?
We are.
Guess what? It's week 3. We've made it to week 3. And I'd like to report we're still feeling pretty good about ourselves. Mar has lost 3.5 pounds altogether.
Yeah.
And I've lost 6 pounds so far in 3 weeks. We're probably going to try and drink more water this week.
Yeah.
I know I've been making a big effort to try and get more water down me. Is it 3 litres you're having?
I don't know. A lot.
A lot.
Drink it like it's your job.
Well, drink it like it's your job anyway, so I'll keep drinking the water.
And we went away this week for a day, and that was a little bit of a challenge.
We went away for a night and 2 days, didn't we? And, finding things we could have was interesting, but we managed it. So
we sat down at the Weatherspoons in Blackpool and wound up, we looked at the menu and went, okay, we need to go now.
Yeah, we can't have anything on here, so off we went. And also this week we're planning to up the exercise, so we're burning more calories. And what we haven't really been doing is looking at actually how many calories we've been eating.
No.
So, we've probably been following the low carb thing,
right,
but not actually keeping track of that. So last night we, Ma made an Excel spreadsheet,
which I love to do,
of a list of the foods that we have been regularly eating and that we can eat, and then we're going to work out portion sizes and how many calories there are in each portion, so we can kind of keep a track on that a little bit more.
But this is good though, because think about it, right? We've been moving into this slowly and not going, we're going to do all this and we're going to do it perfect. You can't be perfect. You just gradually change over.
And we're kind of finding our own way, aren't we? So, we're finding our own feet with it. We both are still losing inches as well, which is really good.
Mm-hmm.
So we're moving in the right direction. But I think if we drink more water this week, let's focus on that.
Yeah.
And also try and maybe have about 1,200, 1,500 calories a day.
Mm-hmm.
Then that should help with the fat burning, with the body using the fat as the fuel, and hopefully increase the weight loss. So, but no, we're doing all right. We're going to carry on with it, aren't we, Ma?
Yeah, we are. 3 weeks and counting.
3 weeks and counting, and
we got through Valentine's Day. Woohoo! Chocolate. How are you doing with the chocolate, Nat?
Well, I had that absolute 100% dark chocolate, which is actually okay, isn't it? So I bought a bar 2 weeks ago, like a big bar.
Yeah.
And, it lasted me 2 weeks, so that's pretty good. And I think there were 2 grams of carb, I think.
Okay. In the whole thing?
In a quarter of it or something.
Oh, all right.
So actually it was hardly any. But
and your pop cravings, soda.
Oh, well, I went to watch rugby. Went to watch Scotland beat England last night at rugby down the rugby club, and I did have some Diet Coke.
Yeah.
Which I know Diet Coke, it's not the best thing to have in the world, is it? But,
no, it's definitely processed food, for sure.
But I'm not having it every day like I was. So if I go out like that, which is not something I do all the time, then I'll have a Coke. I did on holiday, on our Jolly Bobs, I did have a vodka and Coke, didn't I? I had one vodka and Coke. So, and hey, we won at bingo.
Yeah, that's right.
So we've had a good week, haven't we, I think?
And what about your breathing and your overall health? How are you feeling?
Yeah, my peak flow is still pretty. My peak flow was 350 when I did the test yesterday, so that for me that's pretty good. 10 down on last week.
Right.
But I think I'm a bit congested today.
Okay.
So no, pretty good. Feel all right.
That's good.
Feel groovy.
All right.
Yeah.
We'll catch you up again.
Let's see you next week.